Good morning, good morning. How is everyone doing? Who's pumped up? Let's go, Noah! It's Monday morning, the best time of the week. This is the best day of the week, Monday morning, because we have a full week of trading. This is great. Super excited this week. I think we're gonna get feeling some good momentum this week. I'm feeling a green streak this week. Money Monday, baby. Yeah, below $1 gappers. Couple below $1 gappers. We have KTTA. This one's just been creeping up a little bit. Hopefully you see something pop up that's fresh. KTTA, unless we get near $1. We can take a look at the news and the float on this one, but this one looks like the best so far. Let's pull up the news here for you guys. Pasithea Therapeutics announces Vivo procurement data for her. So it seems like just biotech news on its drug, anti-tumor efficacy for cancer. Yeah, that could be that's good enough to make a move. I'm not gonna say it's going to make a move, but the news is there. So hopefully the market responds well to the news, and we can see some momentum. And the float, let's pull up the float. Looks like shares outstanding is 20 million. We can take a look at the float. 14 million, well, 15 million about. Not micro, it's not a micro, but since the price is a little lower, it can probably turn the float much faster than if it was like a $5 stock. So we still could get like a pretty decent move out of it if it does, if there's buyers on this. You could take a look at the daily. So right now we're what, 60, was it 70 bucks, 70 cents? So right around in this area. So we cleared some resistance there. So it looks like we'd have some resistance there at 80. And then probably up near $1. So we can put a trend line there. Okay, looks like we just cleared that actually. So we probably have room up to $1. I think we probably have room up to here, which it looks like is right where we topped out. KTTA could be decent. It looks like that top perfectly coincided with that weekly chart resistance. So if we're retesting, we possibly could see a break through that level and up towards $1. We have increase in volume, which is good. Got to keep high volume on this. I would take a dip. if this does break below 80, I think I would take a dip trade. Just a few hundred shares, maybe let it ride for a little bit. It's the first trade of the week though, so it's got to be an A+ setup. I don't want to break the ice on a crappy setup. Double top there, 85. Damn, this is already up 173%. Oh. See if I can get filled there. Save it back over 80, please. Come on, back over 80, please. Because it's hesitating to get back over 80, I need to start minimizing my risk. Yep, it's not bouncing there. Would I take a $3 loss there? So very tight, keeping it tight. There's 80. Oh my God, there's 100,000 shares on that at 80. No wonder it's not bouncing back up. If it starts to get chipped down, I would buy into it. But I don't want to buy until that seller starts to get chipped away. It's easy to borrow. Here's 100,000 here on 80. This starts to get chipped away, I'll buy into this. Yeah, sometimes I accidentally short stocks like this too, if I hit the sell button too much. There's that 80. Come on. Come on. Nope, nobody wants 80 here. Nobody still wants 80. I don't even want to buy until I see this start getting chipped down. I hate trading penny stocks. I freaking hate it. Ah. Bought 80 and went to 81. Whoop-de-doo. Do I hate trading penny stocks? Now we're back down. Oh, you gotta stretch. How are you guys doing this morning? What are we looking at? KTTA, not the best, to be honest with you. It's too cheap. It's too cheap. It's got to be over like $2. I will not trade anything below $1. My stats are showing negative on penny stocks. Yeah, it's a little bit tougher to trade for sure. The level 2 is a lot more crowded. It's definitely harder to read too. Let's check the news out on this one, PSTX. Oh, man, this thing has a massive float too, isn't it? Not massive, but nothing that I really like to trade. Yeah, 58 million. I still have VVOS on the chart, on my side chart, just because I'm looking at the higher time frames. We need to bounce at some point. I hope so. We're running right around support. We're forming a bottom. How you doing, Baja Express? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I do like this because it's kind of forming a bottom around here. So we might eventually see short start to cover at some point. Maybe a room up to 20, maybe, you know, like maybe just even a bounce up to 20. But, you know, you got to wait for the volume to come in first. How's MLGO doing? It's always important to flip through previous runners that recently made a big move, because a lot of times you'll get that bounce after a few red days. MLGO might be done for though. It's just sold off so much. I'm not sure if bulls are still be interested in this, something like this. What else has made a big move? KTTA is back over 80. Okay. SERA was another one, wasn't it? Yeah, SERA was the other big one. Yeah, this one's... It didn't hold that support level. Yeah, SERA, I don't know. Volume is real light too. I don't think that's gonna bounce for a while yet. Still looks like it's still making lows. The difference between this one, you know, why this one doesn't look as good as VBOS is A, on the first green day, is lighter volume compared to something like this, which had volume all day long, made 2 legs. This is more likely to make a bounce just because there's more participants, and it's forming a bottom. It's showing multiple days of holding its support level, versus SERA. This one is lighter volume and does not seem to be holding its support level, so it could just stair step down. But again, this might not bounce today, it might not bounce tomorrow, it might not bounce the next day, but you know, eventually there should be a curl at some point, unless there's any sort of offering or anything like that. If there's an offering, this can go just straight down again. But you gotta wait for the day it has volume. So keep it on the side chart. Could be a good opportunity. KTTA, it's got to get over $1. I don't even want to trade this under $1. I'm actually kind of curious how I perform under $1. Let's take a look here, my stats. So pre-market, I'm actually profitable all day long. I mostly do my trading here in this area. It seems to be where my my profit factor is the highest. I guess you can't find out the stats on Trade Journal for price. I always thought you could. You can only do time. Just gonna sit on the sideline today. Good luck. Yeah, I mean, that might not be a bad decision. Kind of hungry. Usually I don't eat in the morning, but unless I'm really hungry. But I like to actually trade on an empty stomach. I feel like I can focus better. But I'm getting a little hungry right now. Usually I'm not like hungry. Might have to grab like a banana or something. Someone's calling out ORGO. No, not my style. Lucy, someone's calling out Lucy. Whoa, okay. What do we got here on Lucy? Innovative eyewear launches Nautica smart eyewear under multi-year global licensing. Got a license agreement with another company and it's launching its product. Expected to ship in January 2024. So that's this year or next year, a couple months, 1 month. Well, we'll see if this one holds up. I wouldn't jump on it. I'm not jumping on it yet. This one has a history of making a big move though. I've traded this many times in the past. Coming up off the lows after it faded. Seeing a pullback right underneath this high. You could see a move up to $1. But yeah, look at history of big moves. So keep this one on watch. TAOP, someone's calling out TAOP. This one had a little bit of a spike there. All right, I'm gonna put this in. Be right back. All right. We're back, we're back, we're back. Thanks for tuning in for this stream. Let's hit that like button, support the stream. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button. You guys could be up on the top there in the top right for the new sub. Right now we have Noah as our newest sub. Let's see who's gonna take his place. KTTA, rip into the highs here. Let's see. Finding a breakout is risky on this one, it seems like. Looks like, you know, we had a false break there, and also a false break there. So be very careful buying highs on this one. Maybe dips will be key. KTTA. It's gonna go for the dollar. The thing is, my offsets don't work on penny stocks. Even if I buy the bid, I buy the ask because it's a 1 cent offset, and the spread is less than 1 cent. Usually on anything less than $1. I don't know. Might just want to wait till the open. You might want to wait till the open. Could see something like this, maybe. Be kind of like a cup and handle. That was a nice dip. Anyone get that? TAOP is done. That's done. KTTA is the only one holding up. I guess this is gonna be the main one everyone's watching. Did you guys take any trades pre-market on KTTA? Definitely had to be patient. This one seems to be more of like a longer hold time. Waiting to see the break on KTTA. The good thing is we're open up near the highs. That's usually bullish. I think we'll see $1. I hope. I think we're literally right at resistance here. I mean, we're also up about 200%. On a percentage basis, we're up a lot, which usually sometimes when we're up too much coming into the open, it's usually not a good sign. It's usually, well, sometimes they'll keep going, but a lot of times, like that's the move and it'll start to just fade from there. We'll see though. Might get a blow off top and then see what happens from there. That's what I'm looking at here. It's possible we could get a break below this trend and see, you know, how we're gonna react to that. You know, if it's going to reject these lows down here, then yeah, that's not good. So yeah, hopefully now it rejects this area and we'll see it curl back up over this trend line. Should be some support around in this area though. Maybe we can go a little bit lower. If you look at the 5 minute, it's kind of maybe bouncing off some EMA support on the 5 minute. So this is clearly the inflection point. But the classic bear trap is when it breaks support or your trend line, reclaims, holds, and then keeps going. Technically now, on a technical basis, this is formed a sort of head and shoulders, forming your head and shoulders, reversing, unless we can get curl back up over this 85 level. Got 11 minutes to the open. Nothing A+ yet. I can't say there's anything A+. I hope KTTA can open up though. I hope KTTA can open up. Otherwise, we probably need a fresh stock because there's literally nothing else. I think at the open I'm gonna trade small size at the open and see if anything starts to stick. Right now, since I don't see anything A+, I can't just come in guns blazing. Maybe 1,000 shares to start on KTTA. If it does open up, then bump it up to 2,500. And if it goes up from there, maybe 5,000. Some people are like a PSTX. I don't know. Has lighter volume. That flows a little larger. I like KTTA, it's holding this area. Well, I guess KTTA, maybe a dip and rip out of the open. Penny stocks are tough though, and it's already up 200%. So it's like, how much higher is this gonna go? I mean, it could. Chances are, you know, statistically, I don't know what the statistics are for anything, you know, something like this that's gonna go up another 100 or 200%. I mean, of course, we've had stocks like that in the past that's went up to 1,000%, but that's not going to be every stock. And Friday wasn't that good either. I still think we can at least get the break at a high, maybe up to 1. After that, I think I'm just gonna sit on my hands, because at that point we'll be up like 250%. Swing trading chat. I mean, I could add a swing trading chat if there's enough swing traders in the Discord. Yeah, I wouldn't be opposed to it. Yeah, if there's a few swing traders in the Discord, I would definitely add a chat for you guys. All right, I'm going to prepare for the open. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up button for me on the way out. For the new viewers, consider subscribing. Been doing this every day for the pre-market pump, reviewing the watch list on the day, maybe doing some live trading. So I'd love to see you guys in the community. You guys can join the Discord as well in the description. Good luck. Hope you guys get green, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Yeah, you can dump anything in the day trading chat, Noah. If it's swing trading, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, anything really works for that. If there's a couple people that are also swing traders, I can open up a chat for you guys. All right. Good luck. Catch you guys later. Peace.